land here is divided into fields, and fields in names.
Oh, aye, oh God, aye, all the fields and names. Aye. Hughie McQuillan lived in there. He called his fields the hill, the hole, the hollow, and the big hill at the mountain. The big hill at the mountain's an acre and a half, 2 acres.
The hill, the hole.
The hill, the hole, and the hollow.
And the
big hill at the mountain.
people hadn't an awful lot to do for entertainment in the evening, John.
People, well, there was no television, so there was no electric. The ceilidh as they talked about in them days, you know, in others' houses, and they told stories, and you'd been sitting terrified to go to bed. You'd been that scared, telling ghost stories.
Would any of that been lubricated with a wee bit of still?
Yeah, I would imagine it was. There was a doubt with that. They would have made still around here, but I would have knew nothing about it.
I would know your...
All I remember was like my late father saying about the barley and barming it up and then putting it into the still, you know, and the still was a big worm that run down through, and that run through the still, you know, the steam turned through the cold water. It turned into liquid again, you know, and that was crystal clear. Maybe, I don't know what it would have been, 140, 150 proof, you know. Real rocket fuel. I shouldn't say this, but remember the last time I had still in the house, there was a couple of bottles of it, and I suppose I was sampling nearly too much of it, and the wife, she decided, and she just let the fire out when at times did not get rid of it.
You see, they said in our country that the boys that made it were whales that drithy, that they would sooked it straight for the worm.
Waiting on her coming.
They couldn't thole.
There's a distinct possibility that happened, I would say now. I'd say there's a distinct possibility.